guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a skincare video for you guys. This skincare video has been long awaited, but I just wanted to make sure that what I had was working for me and that it was really good before I tell you guys. So I'm going to tell you guys my step-by-step process and everything I do at night. So I did this about 3 times a week. I know like some people do their skincare every night, but sometimes I forget, sometimes I fall asleep before I do it. So I just do it 3 times a week and it really works for me. And I do it especially when I see like a breakup about to happen, or you know, I have a bump or something. So then that's when I do it. So I don't do these things every single night. So the first thing I would do if I had on makeup, I would take some makeup remover wipes, and these are the ones that I use. They're just the Walmart brand and they work perfectly for me. They get the job done and I really like the way it smells. So I just take off my makeup first with those wipes. Then the next step after that would be to cleanse my face, and I use the Neutrogena Clear Pore mask. It's a cleanser and a mask, so you can either use this as a cleanser or a mask. And as a daily cleanser, what you would do is just put on your face and like rub it all in, and I do that sometimes. And like I said, if I have a bump or something, then I'll use it as a mask. And when you use the mask, you just put it on and you let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I usually just let it sit until it's dry on my face and it hardens, and then I'll rinse it off. So I think today I'm going to use it as a cleanser. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So the first thing is I wet my face with water, and then I have this brush. This is just a Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm going to use that as my brush to put on the cleanser. It's a lot less messy than putting it on your hands and rubbing it in. So I just have one of those like brushes that move around. I don't know what they're called. I can't think right now. And I got this from TJ Maxx. No, I got this from Marshalls. They have them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. You can find these anywhere for like $10 or $15. So I don't even really turn it on. I just wet the brush itself, and I just go in and scrub with the brush. You can turn it on, but the power on this isn't really strong, so I really don't think it makes a difference. I really like this stuff because you will feel it working. Like, it has like a tingly feeling, and especially if you use it as a mask. If you just sit it on your face, you're gonna feel it working. And sometimes when I use this, like if I have a bump that's like forming, the next day it'll be like super flat. So this really does work. This really makes bumps disappear overnight almost. It's crazy. And I forgot to mention that I have oily skin, and this really helps with that. On the front it says that it helps with extra shine control, which it really does help. I really do see a difference when I use this. So I'm looking all types of crazy. I'm about to rinse this off, and I'll be back with the next step. So in most skincare routines, they talk about water this, water that, water changed my life, water changed my skin. Now with water, I'm not out here drinking like extreme amounts of water. I don't drink nothing but water. I try to drink as much water as I can every day, but like everybody, you know, we all fall short. We don't, you know, make it. We have goals, but we, you know, just miss them. So with the water, I can definitely tell from my skin when I am drinking more water, because my skin will bounce back. Water does not just prevent me from having any like breakouts, or it doesn't like make my skin like super smooth and like I never have any breakouts or anything. Even when I do drink a lot of water, I will still get a breakout or something, or just a bump, but my skin will bounce back a little bit faster than if I'm not drinking water. So that's the thing with water. It works for some people and it does help a lot. It does help, that's true, but it's like drinking a lot of water is not anything that's, you know, super magical, you know, that's just gonna change your life. So next step I do after that is I take this just regular pure distilled witch hazel. You can get this from Walmart for like 96 cents. It's really cheap. And what I do is I take a cotton ball and put the witch hazel on the cotton ball. And I only use this on my nose. I just push up my nose like as hard as I can. It does hurt a little bit. And all those whiteheads that build up on your nose they'll come up, and I just wipe it away with the witch hazel. So now I've cleansed my face and I've done the little thing with my nose. Now it's time to tone, and I use 2 different toners. The first one that I'm going to show you guys is the Body Shop Tea Tree toner, and this is a mattifying skin clearing toner, and I really like the way this feels on my skin. It really leaves a tingling sensation, and I feel like it works, but sometimes I feel like this can be really harsh on the skin, so I only use this like maybe when I have a bump or something, or when I just feel like using it. I do not use this all 3 times of the week when I do my skincare. Maybe 1 time out of the 3 times will I use this. The other toner I use is this Thayers Witch Hazel, and you guys see this in everybody's skincare routine because it really works. I really like this. The thing is, I really don't like the smell of it, but it just gets the job done, and I really like spraying it on my face. So I'm just gonna use this one first. So I just shake this up, and I get another cotton ball, and I'm just going to put it all over my face. You will definitely feel this working, especially right after you cleanse your face. Like, it has like this burning, tingling sensation, and it's not a bad burning sensation. It's really nice. So I feel like toning gets rid of those blemishes that you might have, and it really gives your skin a natural glow. So the next one I'm going to use is the Thayers one, and I got the spray version. I think it's so much more fun and exciting. It gives me something to look forward to. And they also have like little Pore version, the same like this. So I just spray my face like a couple of times, and then I'm going to let it air dry. So last but not least, it's time to moisturize, and I used to think that I had oily skin, so I wasn't supposed to moisturize. I thought that was just like the craziest thing. I was like, why would I put more moisture on my face when I naturally have oily skin? It just did not make sense to me, but I finally realized that it really does help to moisturize your skin. It helps keep your skin looking smooth and helps your skin recover. So the moisturizer that I use is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer because it is oil free and is water based. So that's pretty good for oily skin. It doesn't add any extra oil to your skin. It just moisturizes your skin. So with this, less is more. You think that you need a lot, but you really don't, because it spreads really nicely because of the fact that it is water based. I just love the way this moisturizer feels. It has such a like slip to it. It feels so nice. So that is it for this video. I really hope my skincare routine can help some of you guys out there. So what I'll try to do is put all the products down below, and I'll put what store that I got them from, so they'll be easier for you guys to find. Make sure you go over to my Instagram and follow me at ChristiJae, and make sure you leave a like and a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.